How to watch movie on Discord mobile with friends. Hey guys, in today's episode, I'll be showing the way to watch movie on Discord using your mobile phone. So basically there's no such direct way of doing it. So what you can do is you can simply share your screen through Discord and watch movie on your phone. But make sure that you've already selected the particular movie that you're listening to watch, and after that tap the arrow icon from the top right and go to general and then click on join voices. Make sure to select a particular server and click the join voices button. As you click on join voices, you'll be able to see an interface something like this. In order to share your screen, so Discord has recently updated the feature, all you need to do is just tap anywhere near the screen and then swipe up. After you've done that, you'll be able to find the option as share screen. Just simply go ahead and tap the share screen button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully shared your screen on Discord, and now you're able to watch movie on Discord. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.